Hello guys, so today guys we have another vlog regarding the SK400 and SK300 standard reflector guys. So what is the use of this standard reflector? So again guys, if you have the SK300 and 400, I'll show you what is the use of the standard reflector. So without further ado guys, let's start now. So we have the SK400 here guys. Yan. And yan, ito ang ating softbox. And this is the standard reflector. Yan guys. This is the standard reflector. Actually, it comes with only one standard reflector. Yan, if you are notice, maybe we have two softbox, two lights, but only one standard reflector. So, I'm gonna show you guys what is the use of the standard reflector. So, ayan, lagay muna natin ang ilaw. And again guys, so let's start use this standard reflector. So, ayan siya guys. Ito ang ating SK400. Okay. So first, if you notice guys, there's already a hole here. Yan, may butas siya rito. Because guys, this one is to put your umbrella. So yan. For example, yan. Kaya mo siya dito guys. Either you'll use your umbrella direct from here. We have sample umbrella. Saan yun? Yan. We have the Godox umbrella. So yan. From UB Godox UB105. Ito siya. Yan. Guys, touch lang dito. And yan guys. So we're good to go. Yan. And yan. So wala tayong continuous bulb. So guys, di ba? First, yeah, it's a good to use when you attach the umbrella. Actually guys, you can even attach the umbrella direct. Yan. Oh, we have the photographer, si Brian. Model natin si Robert. Si Palaboy FW. Okay, the power is F16. We have the umbrella with the standard reflector. So, ayan ang ano guys, output. Saan ang output ba? Okay. So, ipakita na lang namin yung output. Ayan. Ayan, F8. Ayan. Ayan yung ano niya. O, di ba? Ayan. Sige pa? Isa pa? Okay, so, sige pa? Pause pa ulit. Okay. Ayan. So, let's try naman by without the umbrella. Without the umbrella, just the reflector. So, ayan. Move mo na yung umbrella. Yeah, just remove the umbrella. And, yan. Just only the reflector. So, we'll check the, ano guys, comparison with the reflector and the just umbrella. Yan, same settings. But with the reflector. And guys, with the reflector, we'll comparison guys. This one without the umbrella. Yeah, but with the reflector. Okay.
Gita natin yung flash.
Yan. Yun. Okay. Tumbaan. Okay. So, ayan guys. Pakita namin yung mga sample. We'll show you all the sample photos. Just the reflector and with the umbrella. So, ayan guys. And that's it for today guys. So again guys, this standard reflector is very useful guys, especially for example if you want to use this on the hard shadow light Yun. If you want some shadow on your back, this is one of the best reflector that you can use. It's already inside the box of the SK400 and SK300. And second, and guys, you cannot touch the umbrella on this side. At least you have option. So, ayan. It's more, the light, guys, is already more, the light will be narrow, guys, if you're using the reflector. So, ayan, guys, now we are using only the diffuser. So, ayan. Yan yung photo with the diffuser. With the umbrella diffuser. Yan. Ito yung mga sample ng mga umbrella diffuser, guys. So again, guys, if you have the standard reflector, again, for product photography, for hard shadow photography, so this is good to use the standard reflector. So, and guys, I think that's it for today. Again, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating tropa na sa PBK 2.0 na si Robert Palaboy FW at si Brian Puntanar na photographer natin, ating videographer. So again guys, yan, videographer natin. Photographer pala, sorry. So again guys, hanggang dito na lang. Again, thank you and mabuhay.